Kublai Pibara Season 4 Pat Kumju Yaki Viva Skibajupe Jakaneka Channel Manakapor Shakapor Balada Pidang De Kibatamai Yakaneka Channel Singabha Like Share Bat Subscribe Bat Warnam Klet Ru Ban Press Yo Bell Icon Nang Mapinam Do Yaki Video Kibatamai Te Hakaneka Video Kwamta Ngan Pentip Syapi Yaki Khobor Lekam Pelaban Mi Daka ICAR Indian Council of Agricultural Research Umyam Recruitment Arajar Arpsau Jong Kipus Young Professional Desa peja keneka video hado banakut kenang mafin sutu kambanya hakabaidai bat kini kipus ke ICAR umyam ka code application yaki kandidat kibalong eligible na kamata kipus Young Professional 1 badia kini kipus kandai haka contractual basis teka last date ba hado kin pediang hado ka arp soterik Desember arjar arpsau te pidang yo bahakapor berapply ya kini kipus temen tangin ya peja kini kipus Young Professional 1 Administration number of post iway nang ta ka age limit arfway snam hado sausan snam nang ta ka salary kedai life wajar haka shibnai ka essential qualification part graduate in any discipline with minimum 60% mark from a recognized university college with minimum of 1 year of experience in relevant field. Kedai mempendap ya ka graduate hakano ka stream arts science commerce bat science. Pagpidai ruban yo 100% mark hakano ka university lane college harangkat ka experience sisnem hakabede bat kini kipus. Nangta ka desirable knowledge of IT application virtual meeting platforms and computer skill MS Word Excel PowerPoint Tally extra will be an added advantage. Pagpidai ruban don ka jing tip syapang ka IT application bat kumju yaki komputer kum ka MS Word Excel PowerPoint Tally bat kiwi ki experience. Nomor kilong kibadon kambha hakabaidai bat kini kipus. Nang takapus kebaar Young Professional 1 Finance and Account number of post iway ke age limit arpway snam hadu sau pesan snam nang taka salary kedai life wajar kasibnai essential qualification become BBA BBS with minimum 60% mark from a recognized university college with minimum 1 year of experience in a relevant field. Pidai mempendap ya ka become BBA BBS bat pidai ruban yo 100 mark persen sajarong hakano ka university lane college bat kumju ka experience sisnem hakabaidai bat kini kipus. Desirable pidai ruban dan ka jingtip syapang ka IT application virtual meeting platform bat computer skill kum ka MS Word Excel PowerPoint Tally bat quickly nomor kilong kibadon kam baha tikum no bapen apply yakin kipus Young Professional. The eligible candidate are requested to send their application to recruitment cell ICAR@gmail.com on or before 24/12/2024 in the enclosed pro forma given overleaf address to the director ICAR RC and NEH region Umyam along with copies of relevant document and recent passport size. Ki candidate kibakwa ban apply kini ki post pidai ban pa yaki application form ki jong pi haka recruitment cell ICAR ne @gmail.com haswa ka arpsoterik Desember arajar arpsau haka pro forma balapan dalang teya ka application form pidai ban download bat sapendap yaki jingdon kam baro harangkat ki copy jong ki code kisla hakabaidai bat kini ki post bat kum juk ka passport size. Detang kini kicing betip hak bedai bat kini kicing tenkam. Kum lai sibon nyen saya sempat hakawai ka video.